Jackson Madnick, who's an amazing innovator. Jackson, tell us what you're up to.
Hi, my name is Jackson Madnick, and we developed the Pearls Premium Ultra Low Maintenance Lawn Seed. It's a grass that's all natural, non-GMO, and it grows very slow. So you mow it only once every 4 to 6
That's
weeks
amazing.
instead of every week. It grows 4-foot roots, and so between the slow growth, the deep roots, it needs only 1/4 of the water of any other grass, so 75% less water. And from the deep roots, it outcompetes weeds without chemicals. It stays green, it's evergreen year-round, and also it sequesters 8 times the carbon compared to shallow root grass. So it's 1/4 of the water, 1/4 of the mowing, stays green year-round.
That's organic.
And it's organic, 100% organic. And it sequesters 8 times the carbon, or 4 tons of carbon per acre per year, to help put a dent in global warming and climate change.
Awesome. That's great. Massachusetts made.
It's made here in Massachusetts.
Awesome.
But it's now in over 400,000 lawns in all 50 states. We won the Mass Challenge Prize out of 446 entries from 26 countries. And we also won an award from the Boston Museum of Science for being one of the 3 most important patented inventions to ever come out of New England.
Great innovator. Thank you, Jackson. Thank you very much.